This technology is called FlipQuiz. FlipQuiz is a Jeopardy type uh, game board or study board that your students can use to study for tests, etc. I selected this one because I use things similar to this prior to finding this technology in my health classes. Also, when I used to teach social studies, I did a lot of current event stuff with a board similar to this. So I think it'd be a lot easier to use than what I did creating my own in the past. Um, this technology, I think, would be um, something that I create this video for teaching another teacher how to use this technology and how they can implement it into their classroom. Um, Again, I think that um, it's a very simple technology to use. You can create your categories here. As you can see, I've started kind of messing around here, and I've created first category is fitness. I got a category of exercise and a category of diet. I did not fill out the other categories at this time. But on these categories, you can add questions down here. Um, you can change your font. You can do a lot of different things. You can add a link to hyperlink to another page. You can add images. You can add videos as part of your questions and even as part of your answers over here. So I'm just going to create a few questions here to give you an example how this works. Um, yeah. Make another question here. You can scroll down. You can add up to 5 questions per category, and as you'll see here in a minute, they are for different values. Um, so let's see here. All right, I'm going to move on so we don't spend a lot of time on that. But when you get done, you scroll down here to the bottom, and it shows you um, you can have a cover page for your cover photo for your quiz too, if you'd like. I'm going to skip that at this point. You click save, brings up your quiz board, uh, and then oh, let's see here. Oh, board name. I got to create a board name, so let's go to board name here, and let's put this as an example. Again, go back down and save. And then to view your board, you go over here to presentation view, and you click on that, and it'll pop up, and you can see your 3 categories. As you can see, I don't have any questions put in the exercise category, but if I click on diet 100, it pulls up the first question that we talked about that I typed up over there. Tells you how many points it's worth up here. Um, you can set a timer as well. If I click on this, you can set a timer to auto start even as soon as you open the question, which is really nice, so you don't have to worry about timing with a stopwatch or some other way. But let's say that we set that timer and it goes off, it'll tell you that time's up. But if you don't want to set the timer, that's fine. Give your kids as much time as they need. Answer the question, pops up, and you can move then on to the next question. also now blocks out that so kids won't ask the same question twice. But this is great technology, something that, like I said, I used to use, that I created myself. This is a much better technology, easy, very, very user friendly, easy to use. I recommend it to any teacher that wants a simple, fun way for their students to be able to study for tests, quizzes, etc.